Hey everyone, I'm back with a quick Aerogarden update. The lettuce is really growing. It's kind of taking over this half of the garden. I still have that little one back there that never sprouted. And over on this side, the parsley's taking off, but there's something else growing in it. It kind of looks like cilantro. We'll have to wait and see. The chives also never sprouted. I did contact Aerogarden, waiting for them to get back to me. They'll probably send me a replacement pod. It looks like it won't be long now before we have salad. So that's how it's going this week. I'll be back next week to show you how it's grown. Until then, take care and I'll see you tomorrow for Misfits Market.